Hey everyone, welcome to Next Stop English, the podcast that helps you speak English easily every single day. Let me ask you something. Have you been studying English for years, but when you try to speak, your mind just goes blank?
Oh yes, that's me. I watch videos, I study grammar, but when someone says, "Hey, how are you?" I panic.
I know that feeling, Leo. So today we'll talk about why you can't speak English yet, and I'll show you how to change that fast. Stay with us because by the end of this episode, you'll finally understand why your English is stuck and how to set it free.
Okay, Emma, I'm ready. Tell me, why can't I speak? I really try.
All right. Reason number one. You study English like a school subject, not like a real skill.
What do you mean?
You read English, you listen to English, but you don't use English. It's like watching someone cook on YouTube and then expecting to become a chef.
Haha, that's so true. I watch, I understand, but when I speak, I forget everything.
Exactly, because your brain learns to understand, not to respond. That's why shadowing practice helps. You listen and repeat at the same time. That trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain. So if you want to speak English easily, stop studying like a student. Start training like a speaker.
Okay, Emma, that's powerful. What's the second reason?
Reason number two, you're afraid to make mistakes.
Oh, yes. Every time I open my mouth, I feel shy. What if people laugh?
Listen, Leo, nobody becomes fluent by being perfect. They become fluent by being brave.
So I should just speak, even if it's wrong?
Exactly. Every wrong sentence is one step closer to the right one. You can fix grammar later, but first you must move your tongue. You can't learn swimming by watching YouTube videos. You have to jump in the water.
I like that. Move your tongue. What's next?
Reason number three. You don't have a daily habit. You study for 1 hour, then stop for 1 week.
Ah, yes, guilty.
You don't need 1 hour. You just need 10 minutes every day. Speak in front of a mirror. Talk to your phone. Repeat podcasts like this one. Your tongue will remember English even when your brain forgets. So, small steps daily beat big steps sometimes. 1 drop every day fills the bucket.
Emma, I think I understand now. I should speak more, fear less, and make it a daily habit.
Perfect. That's your 3-step formula. Speak, be brave, repeat every day.
Maybe next time I can do this podcast in English only.
Deal. And you, dear listener, it's your turn now. Don't just listen, but shadow this episode. Repeat after me right now. I can speak English. I am learning every day. I am not afraid.
I like that. Feels powerful.
Yes, because it is. You're training your brain to believe in your voice. Remember, English isn't a subject you study. It's a voice waiting to come out of you. And it will when you stop studying and start speaking. Thanks for joining Next Stop English. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and come back tomorrow because your next stop is fluency.